cats. It focuses on 2 different types of purr. She's going to record them to find out what makes purring such an effective way for cats to get our attention. The first is the non-solicitation purr.
The non-solicitation purr will be the one that people are most familiar with. And that's the purr that cats do when they're content, when they're relaxed, when they're being stroked or interacted with by their owners, or if they're sitting on your knee, for example. Here you come, Cosmos. Good boy.
But scientists are particularly interested in another type of purr, the so-called solicitation purr.
Cat owners will definitely be aware of this, but it may not be so well known amongst non-cat owners. And this is the purr that cats do when they want something from their owners. And very often that is in anticipation of food, or if you're preparing food.
It's constantly chopping and changing the length of those purr bouts.
And the purr is much faster in certain parts, isn't it?
Back at the lab, Sarah's colleague examines the frequencies of the purrs.
So at the top we've got the solicitation purr, and down below we've got the non-solicitation purr. Both of these are low-frequency purrs, but what particularly stands out quite clearly is that complete standout peak that you can see with the solicitation purr. It's very sort of isolated from the other frequencies around it, which suggests it would really stand out quite clearly. And you don't see that at all in the non-solicitation purr.
And there's a surprising reason why we react so strongly to this frequency in the purr. Because embedded within it is the same frequency as a baby's cry.
As humans, we are more sensitive to vocalizations in that frequency range, and we're more likely to respond to them. And that's likely because it taps into our caregiving or our nurturing need. And it's this, I think, that makes them so successful at being our pets, because they have to elicit caregiving from us, and they've become very, very good at that. Lily and Pickle are your Bengals? Yeah. Is that right? Yeah.
The experiment is drawing to an end. The scientists are starting to see the ways in which cats' behaviour is shaped by us and by all the other cats living so close by.